Hello everybody, it is your girl, Andrea, the Global Voice Mason. How are you doing? I am off grid on a trail, just wishing you the best. And I want you to do me a favor, create the soundtrack of your life. What does that mean? Soundtrack of your life. Do you have those tunes that you get going to get motivated, going to heal, going to feel, and going just to reminisce? Well, I want you to take that soundtrack, comment down below, and let me know what are some of your tunes. Now, I am not as young as I look, but I age gracefully, and I want to remind you, comment down below what some of your tracks are. And what gets you going? Do you like the smooth sounds of classical and that Zen ASMR of natural environments? Do you like the heavy bass where you are just dancing to the beat of your own drum? Do you like workout music that gets you going, get the muscle and the blood flowing? What about those, heavy, what they call beats or guitars to really allow you to accentuate yourself? Well, let me know what you think, and I want you to get a taste of the soundtrack of my life. I look forward to connecting with you, Andrea, the Global Voice Mason, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach, telling you to press play, plan life according to you on that dial, on your radio, your boombox, your CD, your earbuds, whatever device you have, and get the blood flowing to get you going and to move into the right direction. And make sure that you, every single day, have the choice and the right to press play and say, plan life according to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your support, for somebody is listening and somebody is watching.